is open. Get yourself a drink, drink, drink. The Anglers is open. Get yourself a drink. The Anglers is open. Get yourself a drink. I said the Anglers is open. The Anglers is open. The Anglers is open. Get yourself a drink.
G'day. Welcome to the Anglers. My name's Mad Dan. This is the Anglers Grog Review. There's Marty. He's a good boy. Okay. Anglers Grog Review. Sounds like we must be reviewing some grog. Let's go check it out and see what we've got in the old esky today. Okay. Grabbed a few, chucked them in the esky, and I'm just going to have a look. Okay. What have we got here? Okay. Warrior Woman 2020 edition. It's an XPA. This is a 500ml bottle. It's 4.8% on the dot. Now this is by Two Birds. Marty, come on, mate. Two Birds? Wait, hang on. There's only one Birds. What do you reckon, Marty? Hey, how's that? Two Birds? Two Birds? Whoa, hang on. There's a lot of, there seems to be a lot of floaties in the old bottle here. Just looking through it now, looks like there's heaps. Okay. Wonder if that's just, flavours. Alright. Two Birds. Two Birds make beer that's a wee bit different in a good way. Okay, so 1.9 standard drinks in this big old 500ml bottle. Now, Two Birds, women in beer since 2011, from Australia's first brewery founded by Two Birds. Good on you, birds. Doing it for the birds. So I'm starting to think that maybe one of Marty's mates, or two of Marty's mates, might have started a brewery. Is that what they're talking about? Why, yeah. What's going on here, mate? Did I just knock you? Hey, he's on the flip. Go on, get on your swing. Okay, so Two Birds run this brewery, probably with their wings and shit like that. This is a feisty, spirited, and never willing to pretend like everything's peachy. We're celebrating the voices of warrior women this International Women's Day with a beer that is. Our Warrior Woman XPA is filled with freshly picked homegrown peaches. Okay, so we've got some fruits. A selection of tropical hops, making for a refreshing, deliciously fruity beer, designed to champion and cheers each and every one of the heroines in your world. Okay, so that's a bloody grouse looking bottle. I like that. That's quite Wonder Woman. It's quite Captain Marvel. Big fan. I like that. There's a few women in my life that I'd like to celebrate. My wife, good on you, Kirst. Thanks for sticking around. I've been a dick, but hey, we're getting through it, and I'm wrapped that you're sticking by. Me mother-in-law, good on you, mad mum-in-law. Mad mum, me mum. And that's grouse. That's about it. Oh, and plus the Two Birds. Oh, and me dog Luna. She's a grouse chick. Okay, so this here. Let's see. I'm not sure about this all this junk that's in it though. Is it off? I hope it's not. No, who knows? Doesn't really say. No, it doesn't say. Let's give it a bit of a mix up. All right. So, an XPA. Peachy. All right. Give it a. Get the old popper out. Give it the old pop test. See how she goes. Ready? Pop test. Oh, I hit Marty's cage. That's a beauty. That's a 7. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if the old Warrior Woman fits in the old glass. Give it a bit of a put. Hello. Looks pretty good. Don't mind the look of that one. Oh, hello. Going everywhere. Okay. It seems to be quite frothy. It's only a little bit left. Get in there. Okay. I like that bottle. Okay. Looks pretty good. It tastes pretty light too. Now I think an XPA is you've got pale ale, and then you've got, what do we got here?
And then you've got IPA. And I reckon, honey, stand up, idiot. And I reckon XPA is about there. Right in the middle, where the old X marks the spot.
Not sure about all that bloody sediment though, but it's probably those freshly picked peaches. I'll give it a bit of a better taste and see what the old XPA's like. That is refreshing. That would be grouse. Absolutely bloody excellent. On a hot day. It's a bit bloody muggy today, but this is going down pretty well. You know, I don't mind that. It's not too bitter. Getting a fair bit of sort of orangey type taste. I think there's definitely that peach, which sort of starts off as peach, and then it gets really nice and bitter as well. But that's nice. That is nice. Gonna have to give it a go. Good on you, Marty. My wife will be proud of that one. She loves a good burp. That's grouse. I said it before, that is grouse. I like that one. It's a big beer. Comes in a big bottle. Big taste. Not heaps of bitterness. Fair bit of gas. I'm going to give that a score. That gets a 31 out of 40. Thanks very much for watching. Hit subscribe, hit like, thumbs down, tell your friends.